TradingView versus NinjaTrader. Which trading software should you use? Choosing the right trading platform can completely change how you analyze markets and execute trades without missing key opportunities. Both TradingView and NinjaTrader offer unique features for traders. TradingView and NinjaTrader are two leading trading platforms with different focuses. TradingView excels in web-based charting and social trading, while NinjaTrader is a powerful desktop platform geared toward advanced order execution and automated strategies. TradingView is a cloud-based charting and social trading platform designed for traders and investors of all levels. It works through a web browser or mobile app, offering real-time market data, customizable charts, and a wide range of technical indicators. Users benefit from an active community sharing ideas and scripts, enhancing collaborative analysis. TradingView's strength lies in its accessibility and ease of use, with no software installation required. It supports multiple asset classes including stocks, forex, and cryptocurrencies. However, its trading execution capabilities are limited since it mainly connects to brokers via APIs rather than offering direct order management. This makes it ideal for traders focused on market analysis, idea generation, and social engagement rather than high-frequency trading or complex automated strategies. Beginners and those who prefer a flexible cross-device experience will find TradingView especially useful. NinjaTrader is a desktop-based trading platform focused on advanced trade execution and automated strategy development. It provides comprehensive tools for order management, including advanced order types and direct broker integration. NinjaTrader supports futures, forex, and stocks, with a strong emphasis on customization through its proprietary NinjaScript programming language. This allows traders to build and backtest automated trading systems tailored to their strategies. The platform offers high-performance charting, market analysis, and real-time data with low latency. Its main strength is in active traders and professionals who require precise control over order execution and algorithmic trading. However, NinjaTrader requires installation and has a steeper learning curve compared to web platforms. It is best suited for experienced traders who prioritize order execution efficiency and strategy automation over social features. TradingView and NinjaTrader serve different trader needs. TradingView excels in accessibility, social trading, and multi-asset charting from any device, making it perfect for analysis and idea sharing. In contrast, NinjaTrader offers superior trade execution and automation capabilities, ideal for active and professional traders who rely on complex strategies and direct broker connectivity. The trade-off involves ease of use versus execution power. For example, a swing trader may prefer TradingView's intuitive interface and community insights, while a futures day trader would benefit from NinjaTrader's advanced order types and scripting. Both platforms complement distinct trading styles, so your choice depends on whether you prioritize charting and collaboration or execution and automation. Choose TradingView if you want a user-friendly cloud-based platform focused on market analysis, social trading, and multi-asset charting from anywhere. Opt for NinjaTrader if your trading demands advanced order execution, low latency performance, and customizable automated strategies. For serious traders focused on precision and automation, NinjaTrader delivers powerful tools that enhance trading efficiency and control. Your choice depends on your trading style and priorities.